Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Postman V8 or later, and a registered app at your Oauth provider. Next, copy the client ID, client secret, and redirect URI into a secure note. Now in Postman, create a new request and open authorization. Select the grant type, authorization code for user auth, client credentials for machine-to-machine, or PKCE for native apps. Once done, set the redirect URI in both Postman and your provider to match exactly to avoid callback errors. Now configure OAuth 2. 0 in Postman's Authorization tab. Choose OAuth 2. 0 and the grant matching your app. Fill auth URL and access token URL from the provider, then paste client ID and client secret. Add required scopes and confirm the redirect URI matches your registered value. Click Get New Access Token or Request Token and complete the provider's login and consent screens. Once Postman receives the token, choose whether to add it to the request headers or save it to the Postman environment. Finally, use the access token by adding it to the authorization header as bearer token or letting Postman add it automatically. If your token expires, use the refresh token flow. Request refresh tokens by including offline access or the provider's refresh scope and exchange when needed. Make sure to store secrets securely and rotate them. If you hit errors, first verify redirect URI exact match, scope alignment, and correct client ID/secret. Also check system clock for skew and inspect provider error messages for precise fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.